Alright, so I'm starting off this vlog by saying how grateful I am that I actually lived to see another birthday. Not a lot of persons woke up this morning, and the fact that today is a memorial for 9/11. I don't know when I'm going to be posting this video, but I came to North Carolina to visit my brother for his birthday, and only to find out that there's a hurricane on its way here. So my flight back, that's when the hurricane actually hits, so I had to reschedule my flight. At the library now, I'm about to get some editing done, but I think I'm gonna get some done first.
Daddy, I went to the doctor today. They said the symptoms kind of...
Your change and your number is going to be 978.
Thank you.
A lot of dangerous things are going in my life, and it's hard to sleep at times.
Just got back from Dunkin' Donuts and started to rain. So I haven't even been to the library yet.
Things have changed, man. Yeah, you don't say anything.
I know I said that I was going to do some reviews on the Fotga ND filters. Instead of me giving a review on ND filters, I'm going to leave a link below explaining what are ND filters and why you need one for a camera. But for the Fotga ND filters, the brand that I have, it's a very cheap ND filter. As a starter ND filter, I wouldn't really recommend it. But if you're on a budget and you really need it for those dynamic range, like yeah, you can buy it. But for long term, no. I'm actually using one right now on the Sigma 16, and this is the Sony 50mm, and I don't know if you can see, but yeah. Like the glass, they're not reliable. Like this one literally cracked in my bag, so I wouldn't recommend this brand.
This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable.
you know. Them say, great man always I go get a fight. Try be yourself and them say why. Now me make me do what me like. Now me make me do what me like. Shut them out, not say a damn thing. Me just want them to know say I want king. One king, one king.
So this is what the calm before the storms look like. Everybody on base basically getting prep, bringing waters to all the barracks. It's now the 12th of September in North Carolina and still calm.
You know where I come from, you know? So I know where I go. Remember when me the poor daddy?
I don't even know if I'm supposed to be this close to the water right now.
Tonight me sleep hungry. I must be proud of cover. Me never forget the boardhouse. The one bed with four dog. Them things that make me sing song. Hard life too cold daddy. Me tell you.
Start getting windy now, you know, that's the first sign. Walk around a bit and
It's day and night. The lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone. Day and night. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night.
The outer bands of Hurricane Florence will start to impact the North Carolina coast this morning. Sustained winds are peaking at 110 miles an hour, but the most dangerous threat comes from storm surge. That will hit the Carolinas tonight and tomorrow.
alright, it's the 13th of September and winds are starting to come in. It's now 10 o'clock in the morning. Overcast and windy. Here. Bracing ourselves. It's now the 14th of September. Just woke up not too long ago and can still hear the heavy winds outside. The light has been out since last night, so I'm actually using Lume Cube, which is also water resistant. I'm about to go outside in a bit, see what's going on. Alright, so exit sign was recording last night. There it is. Just want to take this time to thank everybody who called or messaged me to say happy birthday a few days ago, and big respect to Zico for calling last night to check up on me, make sure everything is alright, because I was supposed to be back in Fort Lauderdale yesterday, but due to the hurricane I had to stay back until well, they said the 16th, but I doubt if the flight will be ready by then. flood started, so going for one of our friends' car that they parked in the garage, bring it back over this side so they can monitor it. But water is rising really fast where we're at right now. Alright, quick update. I had to come to the car to charge the power bank on the phones. There's still no electricity and it's now 2:02. We also had to move the car earlier because where it was parked up first, realized that it started to flood close by, so just to be on the safe side, we moved it on the other side of the parking lot. Last night I've been using the Lume Cube light, and I think everybody, if you're not a videographer or a photographer, you should at least have one in your possession. Lume Cube is waterproof, and like I've been using it all night last night. It has 10 levels of brightness. I kept it on 1 because it's really bright. But Lume Cube, like, I don't know how we would have survived the darkness last night without that light. And I actually think I might buy at least 5 more, to be honest. Good news for today, the light is back, but still no internet as yet. Went on the road earlier to get some food to eat, well, something warm, but no luck with that. Just got back from off the road. Finally got something warm to eat and about to pull up my hair, redo it before going back to Florida tomorrow. Just got my hair done. Run into the car real quick, get some screwdriver for my road mic because there's a loose screw on it. The rain has finally stopped. supposed to be a 5 a.m. flight, but they changed it to 8. So instead of going back to the dorms until later, I'm just gonna do some editing.